Today we're going to cover some very basic turns, man's natural and reverse, ladies' natural and reverse, coming from the turning basic. Let's do some turns. Man's natural. And 1, 2, 3. Do not disturb the lady's movement. Simply walk under your own arm. And 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Ladies natural. This is where the man has the break step. Now we're going to switch things up here a bit and show the ladies' reverse turn, because the man's reverse actually is danced after the lady's reverse. So we've gone from easiest to most difficult in this video, the man's reverse. So there you have it. 4 basic turns in hustle. Please make sure to go back and watch DK Minute number 22 for the basics, and we'll see you next time.